Guys? It's Dynamic Trades for another daily recap. So today we are currently up $118.19. Um, I traded a couple stocks today. We'll start with the first one here. Where was it at? AMID. So it was a pretty good day for me. I pretty much just went green and pretty much shut it down. So we'll go on the minute chart here. So my first trade on this was, let's see here, AMID right here. So 2050, I believe that was that pre-market? 50, 2130, no. Let's see. Oh, that's towards the end. Okay, so I traded this, I believe, where was it at? Yeah. So just right at open, I traded it at, where was it at? 2050. So it was a pretty good day for me, honestly. We got green, and then I lost on one of the trades, and I was up like 90 bucks. And then I took one last trade, and I ended up being profit up 118 bucks. So my first trade on this was at 2050. So it was down here. I remember this. So yeah, in this area, this right here, 1 minute candle to make a new high just as approached. I seen it green on the tape, so I ended up punching the buy button. I failed 1,000 shares and then end up selling at 130 up here. So that was a nice little scalp. Um, just as approached the EMA lines, it bounced there. It retested the EMA lines, so it fell back down. So I ended up buying in, and yeah, I seen green on the tape. Some big orders coming in, low sellers. So I ended up taking that trade in, and I took it again on 2030. I think that was after the fact somewhere, but yeah, that's I ended up selling real quick. It didn't look strong, so I ended up selling, and then I got it again. um I got it again for a, so yeah, this was an even break even trade. It wasn't moving. I seen a lot of sellers coming in, so um I ended up just going flat on it, and then I took another trade on it for 2 cents, which was good. Then I seen LITM pop up, and I seen this one also too. So this one was pretty good. Let me see here. So yeah, I averaged 2160. That one was up here. I traded this. Where is it at? 2160. Yeah, just as I seen this, I seen a bunch of buyers. It was kind of risky because, well, not risky per se, but it was kind of extended off these EMA lines. So I mean, it could easily flush down. But I seen a lot of strength, and I seen a lot of buyers coming in. So I ended up purchasing. This one I got filled with 1,025. Got filled at 2160 and sold at right here at 2190. So I ended up taking that profit. That was what, 2 cents. And then I took it again, and this is where I lost at. I failed at 2240 for this 2240, or oh yeah, 2240. So right here, and then I ended up taking the loss down here at 22. I took the loss, so I ended up taking that loss, and then I took a couple more trades on it. I took this one, and I also lost 7 cents on it. So, or no, sorry, this was a break-even trade. I'm looking at the wrong thing. Yeah, so it didn't sell my order. So then I ended up selling, so that was a loss right there. So from 2040, so I lost 4 cents with 1,000 shares, 40 bucks. So I was up like 137, and then minus 40 bucks. So I was up like 95 at that point. and then I ended up taking a break-even trade on it, and then my last trade of the day was on Fxlv. So yeah, there was a couple gappers today. So yeah, it was all in all a good Friday for me. I took a 4 cent profit on this, I believe. I seen it pop up here, and I watched it after, and it kind of retraced back. So I was like, okay. And then I ended up trading this. Where was it at? Let me see. 32.20. Yeah, right here, just for this little pop up. So 22. I 1 minute candle to make a new high. Started gaining a little bit more volume right there. So I ended up purchasing, and then just stopped or got out 2260 just for that little breakout right there. So I ended up getting that was on my trades for today. So yeah, we are up 22 or $2,243. That's that count. I started this at 2,000, so up 243, almost $244 on this account. This is a paper trading account. But yeah, so I mean, we'll see how next month goes, and I'll be back on Monday for another day trading recap. So yeah, it was kind of a little difficult, but um, you know, after that $900 loss that I had I think it was last week. So I was down to I think $1,400, and I ended up being up on the account this month. So that's good. I'm gonna continue grinding and continue trading, and hopefully in 2 or 3 more months, I will put my real cash and start day trading and capture my journey doing that. So thank you guys. Have a good weekend.